Hi there. In this quick video we'll be taking a look at this VERBATIM Store and Stay Nano thumb drive. This little fellow is ideal because of its size. If you want to plug it into the laptop, for example, to extend its storage capabilities, and you want to always keep it there. It's that small that it will not bother you. Also, it's ideal for car radios, for example, that have USB playing capabilities, again, because it will not bother you. I went with the 32 gigabytes version. This will be in a car radio that I made modified to be able to use it inside the house in our daughter's room. And this thing will have music on it for them to play. It's USB 3.2 Gen 1, so it should have quite decent speeds. A bit more info on the back of it. And yeah, not more to say, but plugging it into the computer, this is what it accepts, so basically everything. Yeah, plug it into the computer and start copying on it and see how fast it goes. And for the size of it, it's small. It's really small and kind of cute. And I wanted a colored one, which fits with daughter's room. I connected it to a high-speed USB port, obviously 3.0 minimum if you want to get good speeds on this particular laptop, so let's test. It was instantly recognized with FAT32 format. You can format it to whatever your particular device that you are going to use it in accepts. This is the real usable space. It's like this with all thumb drives or hard drives. They advertise the higher capacity basically, but in reality, finally you kind of get this. And we are copying to the drive. In big files the data speed goes up. I saw it reach even 50 megabytes. Now we are at 40. If there are more smaller files, data speed does go down a tiny bit. But yeah, from my point of view, it's decent. It's not an extremely fast drive, but for what it needs to do, I think it's way plenty. Ejected the drive, so now we are just going to be removing it. Quite a snug fit, which is nice if you plan to always leave it in here. Almost fell down. Now let's go and plug it into the car player. And now we are at the player, which is with blue colors. So this should fit quite nicely in here. Let's see. I think this is the correct orientation, and look at it. It's perfect, like it was meant to be there. Already started playing, but obviously copyrighted music, USB, it's giving us the info. Perfect, working. So yeah, for me, that's about it for this whole video. Ask in the comments how this works over the months, years, because this is where it will live, and from time to time we will add more music to it. That's kind of all that it will ever do in its life. So yeah, hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.